Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the OHealth application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the OHealth application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon, and here you should see your OnePlus Watch 2 under my watch basically. Now find the option called watch faces and tap on it, and here find the category called photos and tap on the watch face right here. Tap on allow and allow the required permissions, and you will see this page then after you allow the permission. Here we can basically add the photo, so tap on plus and you can select the photo from your phone. I'm gonna change the folder to downloads, select the photo, and once you select it by tapping here, you can tap on add and the photo will be added. And as you can see here, we have a preview. You can also add multiple photos, so if we go back and download, we can add another one. So select it and add. As you can see, now we have 2 photos. Okay, and once you're done adding the photos, you can tap on set as watch face, and here we have the watch face. And to change or cycle between them, if you have multiple pictures, you can tap on the screen. Another thing we can do is we can tap here, edit, and here we can basically crop the images and delete them. So if you don't want to have an image anymore, you can tap on it and tap on delete. And if you want to crop it, so basically if you select it and tap on crop, you can select the part of a picture to be on your watch face. You can basically zoom in, zoom out, and move this frame around, and whatever is gonna be on that frame is gonna be on your watch face. So for example, let's say I want to have more zoomed in picture of the face of the animal, then check mark, and the watch face will be cropped. As you can see, that's how it works. And of course, once you're done editing your watch faces, you can simply close the app, and that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.